Hi, fourth graders. Your word study for this week is going to focus on adjective suffixes. Now, words, you might remember, are kind of like Legos. You can break them apart and put them back together and create new words. And suffixes are the letters that come at the end of some words that change the meaning of the words. So one example of a suffix could be ly, which are the letters we use to make adverbs. So for example, an adverb will take an adjective like quick, and then we put an ly at the end. Now we've made an adverb, which means how a verb is completed. So if I would said, how did the girl run? She ran quickly. We took that adjective quick and we added the suffix ly, and we've created an adverb. But today we're going to focus on adjective suffixes, which are suffixes that come at the end of nouns and change them into adjectives. So let's find an example in our reading, Hercules' Quest. And let's just read the first sentence and see if we can find a couple words with adjective suffixes in them. So the first sentence, the myths of ancient Greece and Rome are stories of powerful gods and goddesses, courageous human heroes, and monster-like creatures. So in that first sentence, we have two words. I know it's a little bit blurry, I apologize. Powerful and courageous, which both start out with a noun, power, and the noun courage, and add suffixes at the end, ful and ous. I think this will be a little bit easier to see. So ful and ous are adjective suffixes. Remember, suffixes come at the end of words. Ful means full of. Ous also means full of. So in the word powerful, the noun is power. The suffix is ful, full of power. So gods and goddesses are full of power. Courageous, the noun is courage, and the adjective suffix is ous, meaning full of courage. The heroes are full of courage. So it changed that noun, courage, into an adjective by adding an adjective suffix. Other adjective suffixes that you'll work with this week are able, able, which means able or able to be or inclined to, meaning that I like to do that. I usually do that. So an example could be excitable. Excite is the noun, and able means, in this case, inclined to be. So inclined to excitement, like my little Trixie is excitable. She's inclined to excitement. She does get excitable. So able is an adjective suffix. Another one would be the words or the adjective suffix some or some, which means causing. So an example word would be fearsome. The giant was fearsome. He caused fear. So the noun is fear. The adjective suffix is some, causing fear. Another adjective suffix that you'll see this week is ible, ible, which also means able to be or causing, and in this case, terrible. So terror would be the noun, and ible is the adjective suffix, causing terror. All right, so just as a review, here are the adjective suffixes you will see this week. Full, like an example, powerful, full of power. Ous, like courageous, full of courage. Ible, meaning causing, so causing terror, terrible. Able, inclined to, in this case, inclined to excitement. And fearsome, causing, so causing fear. All right, fourth graders, those are your word study assignments topic that you'll have this week in your Google Classroom playlist.